How to properly budget your money. The beginning of budgeting. The beginning of budgeting starts with you. You need to make sure that your budget is reasonable and attainable for your income. Taking a step back and thinking about how much your budget is going to be. Making a list. Making a list of all your current expenses is key to starting your budget making process. Go through your debit, credit, banking statements, receipts, and all transactions. You need to know how much you spend and where your money is going to. A good way to start is categorizing your spending. Tracking your spending. Using a spreadsheet to lay out all of your expenses allows you to see exactly where your money is going. Grab a calculator and add up all the money you spend for certain categories such as food, housing, utilities, and phone bills. These numbers will allow you to see just how much you spend versus how much you make. Finding the numbers. After you figure out how much you spend, it's important to figure out how much you want to put away in savings based on the amount in those categories and enforcing it in order to follow the budget you are laying out. Sacrifices are necessary to laying out your budget. In order to have enough money laid out, you need to change some of your spending habits before you figure out the budget. Sacrificing some things are a good start. Whether it's sacrificing your phone, your car, or how much you eat out, sacrificing is the beginning to laying out the money and making sure you have enough of it. Deciding the budget. Now is time to combine all your money put into savings with the money you found when tracking your money. You figure out how much you are going to spend for each category and lock it into place. Tracking your spending, part 2. Each purchase you should write down in a notebook, spreadsheet, or other programs. This will allow you to see what you are spending and to keep track of how much you have left to spend in that certain category. Following your budget. Staying true to your budget and following it regardless of temptation is key to being able to afford the various life expenses you have. And then your budget is laid out and you are able to afford all of the life expenses that come with life.